Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mercedes key battery. First, ensure you have a fresh CR2025 battery and a small flathead screwdriver ready. These are the only tools you'll need for this simple task. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the mechanical key blade. Once released, gently pull the key blade completely out of the fob. This step is crucial for accessing the battery compartment. Now that the mechanical key is removed, you'll see a small slot where it used to sit. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic housing. Once separated, you can proceed to the next step. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life easier. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before removing the old battery, take a quick moment to observe its orientation. This will help ensure you insert the new one correctly. Gently pry out the old CR2025 battery from its compartment. Now, take your fresh CR2025 battery and carefully place it into the slot. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it down firmly until it's securely seated. Then, simply snap the two halves of the key fob back together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.